Are you also stuck on Apple logo and unable to boot? Well, booting into safe mode might fix it. Today I am going to show you how to start up your Intel MacBook in safe mode. So, let's get started. To perform a safe boot, you have to power on your Intel MacBook, and after you hear the chime, hold the Shift button on your keyboard. Let me show you. Don't release the Shift button until you see login screen. And now it is booted in safe mode. As you can see, the red letters say Safe Boot on the login window. Thank you for watching.